How are you?
Thank you.
I just have a question. So I'm thinking about investing in something. It's like a group that we're starting in Stockton where we're trying to help each other buy homes.
Okay.
It's called it's a housing trust fund.
Mm-hmm.
But I just spoke with the other side and they said it's called like a susu,
Okay.
where we kind of pull money together and then we kind of buy houses one by one.
Mm-hmm.
The information that was given was that the houses have been reserved, about 50 of them.
With our community here,
I believe so.
we have sold a lot of our lots, most of our lots here. I have some lots that we just released for purchase right now, but I do have a wait list that we're going off of first. So it's just people that have been pre-qualified and they're waiting for a specific floor plan. So as soon as we get a release of homes, we go through that wait list first. If that wait list wants it, it's theirs. If not, we'll move down the list or it'll be open first come, first serve.
Okay, is there any way I can find out if we actually if we're on the waiting list or not?
Have you been pre-approved with our preferred lender?
Well, that's what I'm trying to make sure that my investment is, in good hands. She says it is. It's already been approved.
Okay, is there a name that you can give me to check and see if you're on the wait list?
Yes.
Let me take a look here. Okay, what was the name?
Do you need first and last or just?
Either one.
Tila, Tillila, first name.
You don't have anyone with that name.
I guess last name Sumchai, Sumchai.
No, I don't have anybody on my wait list with that name.
How about Hafoka, Hafoka?
No.
Could they have already been approved for the home and they're not on the waiting list?
If they did, they never sent it to us, and we didn't know that they were interested in our community.
Oh, okay.
So what usually happens is someone walks through the home, they are interested in a specific floor plan, they get pre-approved with our preferred lender. Our preferred lender emails both us and the customer the pre-approval letter, and then at that point we touch base with the customer just to see double check what floor plan they're on and let them know that they're on the wait list.
Even if we just pay cash, do we have to go through all of that?
You still have to get just verified funds.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'd still be a pre-approval, just saying that it's a cash pre-approval.
Alright, do you guys do background checks and stuff like that, or is it just?
I don't know exactly what they do, but you'd have to talk to the lender about it. I don't believe that they do a background check. I think they just check credit and taxes.
Check credit and
all that
everything.
kind of stuff.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
But if it's cash, it might be different. I think they just verify funds. I don't know.
Okay.
Do you want the lender's information?
Yeah, could I please?
Yeah, of course.
I just want to make sure that my investments are in good hands.
Yeah, of course. But yeah, this is the first time I'm hearing about this, so I don't believe anybody else has come to add themselves to the wait list or anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, awesome. So I can just contact them and
You
make
can
sure.
contact them if you wanted one of these houses out here. Once we have a pre-approval or verification of funds, we would just add you to the wait list for a specific floor plan. And then every month or so, we release about 6 lots for purchase, and we just go to the first person on the wait list. If they want it, it's theirs. If not, we'll move down the list.
How long is the wait list right now?
It's floor plan specific. So It just depends what floor plan you're interested in. It varies from like 7 to 10 people.
Okay.
For each floor plan.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.